I came back because I wanted to see what has become of my sons.
And?
And I'm going to England. And I thought that you all might want to join me. What do you say, Bitte? Uber? Sigurd? I can see in your eyes that your answer is also no, Björn.
This is why. This is part of a map of the Roman Empire. I found it in Paris. In this map is the Mediterranean Sea. And around that sea are many wonderful people and places and towns. I want to go there!
So, how far along are you with your plan?
Loki is building the boat. Witzig has agreed to come with me, as well as King Harald and his brother.
What about you two? Why are you not going with your brother?
Kattegat has changed since you went away. It is a major trading center in the region, and many other kings we know regard it with envy. We want to stay and protect our mother.
You're right to think of family.